tomorrow going to be?
Warmer. If you can believe that. Yeah, we had a first start of winter yesterday. Was, of course, pretty chilly, and then this morning cold. By the afternoon, we are starting to warm up now. That's the trend we're going to follow into your Sunday. Let's start out looking at your planning forecast for the rest of the night tonight and for the first part of tomorrow. We are still sitting at 64 degrees right now. Very mild out. One of the reasons, of course, we have a lot of moisture that's moved into central Texas, and we also have this cloud cover that kind of acts like a blanket, keeping temperatures from cooling off too quickly. So when you wake up tomorrow, we'll be in the upper 50s. And then by lunchtime, even with a lot of clouds, we'll reach 70 degrees. Out in the hill country, a little cooler there. Mason to Llano, even to Burnett, all in the mid to upper 50s. Head east, hanging on to the low 60s here, and low to mid 60s for our eastern counties. In Austin, cloudy skies, 64 degrees, overcast, and 63 out of the airport. Dew points in the 50s. That is a really moist air mass out there, and that's what we're talking about with the southerly flow really kicking in. Our winds are still out of the south tonight, between about 5 and 6 miles an hour. Fairly light. They'll stay light overnight tonight. Look across the state. Look at all the cloud cover that has really settled in almost everywhere. We're all kind of in the same boat. So if you plan on traveling maybe tomorrow, you're looking at similar situations from Dallas down to San Antonio and over to Houston. However, we're tracking a few changes for the first part of next week for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. What we're looking at is a system that's working its way onto the west coast right now, and it's kind of a two-part system. First, we have a weak front that's going to drop through central Texas early Monday morning. That'll keep temperatures a little bit cooler. Second cold front comes in Christmas Day, midday, and that'll bring us some showers and thunderstorms. So if you have plans early in the day on Christmas, you'll want to make sure that you have your umbrella handy just to be on the safe side. And then temperatures during the afternoon are really going to fall off. We're going to start Wednesday well below freezing across the entire area. This is a much stronger front coming through. So let's go hour by hour through your forecast tonight. Overcast for the most part. We'll have a warmer day tomorrow. Temperatures actually hitting the 70s, if you can believe that. And then late Sunday, that first front I was telling you about will set up to our north. It'll drop in early Monday morning, bringing slightly cooler conditions in for your Monday there. Tonight, here's what you can expect. In the hill country, I think you're going to be a little bit cooler than this, probably upper 40s in most areas. In the metro area, mid to upper 50s and mid 50s for all of our eastern counties. For tomorrow, mid 70s across the board. Quite a jump from what we saw today, probably 5 or 6 degrees warmer. Tonight, 57 here in Austin. Let's go 75 tomorrow afternoon. Definitely more cloud cover than sunshine. And a look at that 7-day forecast. A little bit cooler on Monday. Temperatures top out in the upper 60s. Christmas, we had the 40% chance for showers and thunderstorms early in the day, and temperatures will top out around noon and then drop off for the rest of the day. So Wednesday morning when you wake up, it'll be 25 degrees here in town. That means teens for the hill country, and we'll warm up only to 44 degrees by the afternoon.